good things comes to an end, but today we are now going to close this last 4 hours very useful discussion on the facility management and hospital safety. But the good thing is, as it is called as continuing quality education, we are going to have several rounds of this kind of discussion in coming days. So it will continue. And we'll be looking for each one of yours active participation in those sessions. First, I would like to thank all our speakers. I start with our chief guest, Mr. Randy Gaze, Mr. Shankar Rajashekharan, Mr. Daveru Jagannath Rao, Mr. Anirban Sen, and Mr. Pradeep Dani, Mr. N.V. Subbarao, Sri Lalit Gavane, Mr. K.R. Dinesh, Dr. Vivek Desai. They have taken their time out and have contributed immensely, and I'm sure all the delegates, all the participants have got tremendous inputs in their field in their area of interest. I'll be failing in my duty if I don't mention about Vijaya Systems and engineers who have helped us, who have sponsored this session today and extended their hand to us. My sincere thanks and gratitude to our President KAHO, Dr. Vijay Agarwal, who is going to speak after me, Dr. Lalu Joseph, Secretary General KAHO, Dr. Anuradha Pichumani, the chairman for this quality professionals of KAHO. And my thanks to my co-organizing secretary who have tremendously contributed in shaping up this event, Mr. Nishant and Mr. Vinod. Thanks to both of you. Last but not the least, this event would not have been possible without the support, without the involvement of all of you, the participants, the delegates who have taken time out on Saturday afternoon, evening, and joined and shown your interest for quality. That is a great motivation and inspiration for most of us to see that how Indian healthcare is going to embark into a new journey with so much of quality consciousness. With this, I request Dr. Vijay Agarwal to give his closing remarks. Over to Dr. Agarwal.
Thank you, Joy. And in fact, you have said it all. It is to thank, number one, all the participants for very enthusiastic participation and for making this continuing quality education series program of KAHO a great success. This has been successful because of, I can see, it's so heartening to see people like Dr. Rajkumar Patil being, present as delegates and spending time and being there. I can see my Vice President, Mr. Samir Mehta, and a lot of other senior people are present. It is very heartening because it will also give us a constructive, very critical feedback for us to improve ourselves. We'll try to know from them as to what more to be done to make this program even better. So I must thank the quality professional group of KAHO led by Anuradha Pichumani for organizing this program. And of course, I would say the organizational capability of Joy Chakravarti has been so evident, and it was in full display. Joy, you had been superb, along with Nishant and Vinod. I think you have put up a very good program, because let's say most of us would have not even thought of, what is there to understand in facility management, because these things are swept under the carpet. But today, it is extremely important now for the CEOs and the COOs to really know as to what can go wrong where. And I think you guys had created a great, I would say, an academic program to address these issues. And in a way, this is like a beginning. We'll come out with a white paper on it. You can keep now doing little more deep dive into any of these sub verticals. And I must thank, I would say, Mr. Randy Gaze for being present, right from early morning. And I saw him being present for a huge length of time. I think he may still be there. And also all the other faculty members were all very superb. So thank you to each one of them for making this program a great success.